change. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist. Oh. It can never, never exist. Oh. You do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist. Oh. Can never, never exist. Oh. You do not lie. You fail. What is hard for you to do? Doesn't exist. Oh. It can never, never exist. Oh.
Oh.
Wow! Oh my God!
Actress Maggie?
Hey! Actor Imo! Oh my God!
Can I have a hug?
Oh! Hi!
Nice to meet you.
Is this really you?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Yeah. I was on my way actually. I was coming out from my house.
You have a,
Oh, forget
that's
it.
the car key?
Yeah, I just got a little car. Yeah, I had a flat tire, so I got to park it somewhere. Kuruki mumuvu.
Oh, give me a flat tire. Kuruki agahuje.
Ki kamumpa. Yeah, this is more important to me.
Oh yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
So we're actually heading to.
Oh, really? I just want to cross over there. Now, this country style fast food.
Okay, you don't eat in the buka.
Oh no, come
I
on.
don't either.
I am a celebrity. I can't do that.
Oh, please come on.
Come on. Actress Maggie, I don't know. Can I get like 2,000, 3,000 change from you? I actually I don't know where I misplaced my ATM.
Okay, you know the world has gone cashless. I don't move around with cash. Yeah, I've gone cashless. I just have my ATM here, you know.
Okay, fine. I think I have my UBA card. You can just run a transfer for me while I.
For my UBA app, I just deleted it.
Not really a UBA, just from your bank.
Oh, from my bank, I don't have my token here. Yeah, because you know I had to delete the app because of fraudsters everywhere, scam, you know, all of that. I just have to delete it. Please don't even go there. I shop. I do online banking.
Okay, fine. There's ATM down the street. You can.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. I deleted the app, my Fidelity app, my UBA app. I've all deleted it. And secondly, I don't even have. Okay, my Fidelity app is here, but I don't have my token. I must use token to do the transfer. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I have a lot of money in my card. Just that I must have left it in the car or something.
Oh no!
It's nothing. I'll be fine. I'll sort myself out. Okay.
Okay.
The location, the set I just came out of. Oh, it's wow.
It was like wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sam with me. I don't know what the script writer wrote. It was just a mess. I was trying to crack my brain, trying to be creative, to come up with something that people will watch and they'll be like, wow.
Wow, just to give it to your fans.
What?
Wow. Oh my God.
Imo.
Actress Maggie.
Everything okay?
How do you mean?
I mean your leg.
Oh. Come off it. It choke.
Oh my God.
You love that slang?
It shocked me.
It choked me.
It choked.
I know. This, you know, in social media these days, every celebrity, non-celebrity, in fact, almost everybody in the whole world, the whole men, and as a celebrity like me, even though I don't like it, it's pinching me so hard. But I have to wear it because I am a celebrity.
You got to do what you gotta do.
I gotta do what I gotta do. You know? I love that. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I have to wear it because it's really paining me. But those, you know what I mean?
But must you follow trend?
Come on, what are you saying? I have to.
Ah.
Yeah, I have to.
But what others are wearing are tiny chains, you know.
Oh no, come off it. This is me. I got to do what I got to do for people to notice me.
Of course, you got to do what you got to do.
From the moment I bought this chain, I stopped wearing trousers. Yes, I can't wear trousers again. I go on shorts so that it will be noticeable.
Of course, you need to flaunt it.
I know. That's it. That's it.
Just come off it. Come
That's
off it.
Maggie?
Yeah?
I want to hear me.
Oh, this
It's
trending. Oh, yeah? It's trending.
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
Mm-hmm.
If I'm on social media, you know what it is? Cream de la cream. Who is who?
Oh! Forget my manners.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
I forgive you.
Yeah, I used to see, sometimes when you go on social media, you see a lady, maybe. You know how to do it better.
This way.
Uh-huh.
We have a background musical.
Uh-huh. I love...
Initially it was like this. Initially it was like this.
Years back.
Back in the days.
I know. Wow.
Then later on.
Okay. Anara keke. Wazi.
Now.
Ew. Ogbotorola.
In the next century to come, I got botawazi dire na aka.
Bucket kwonye.
Ara
putaze ya to.
Towel jacket.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on, pizza.
Anyway.
Don't even go there.
Anyway, we can't kill ourselves because
I cannot kill myself by myself alone. I just have to be happy.
Maggie?
Yeah?
Onye go low to grow to Nazi. Big upstairs, small upstairs. What happened to your back?
Oh, this?
Uh-huh.
Like I said before, it's trending.
Ochi.
It's trending, you know, Chano.
I don't know you with the big bomb bomb. How come?
Now you know me with the big bumble. How go? Holia. Umaji bemu otek ochi ha hawo. Naanị mumu mi ke ma gi na ewu. Naanị m nguzuru otem se mere mi eme. I said no. I got to meet up. I'm a fat collector now. I collected fat here and deposited here. So I go to house from house, collect fat, I deposit here. Do you have fat?
Wait a minute. Let me get something straight. You mean the whole fat in your tummy? I'm a shire. But you get not.
Oh, talk all day.
Go live on a fat to bargain and way not.
Makachineke no. Elegema forgot somehow. Elegema notch. You don't need it. I need it.
Hey, we may be taller. Chirekwe, ngo la fat no ba me shiri adoyi na ochi. Oda anye gana.
Well, when many the doctor said make a lie down like this. Then makuru. Maka Chineke makbugide. If I call am for phone, I go ask am. Time to rise, ask him for where. Makburu nga. Awu mo. Nekwu okoko.
Nwa gashi.
Na Easter Sunday say Christ arise. M jira aka m rise onwe m. O he ojo no kwatad.
Hey, nda akwata olulo nso.
But all the same, affluent ga kwa mia.
Oto aha otokoro otu.
Affluent ga mia. Hey, nge se picture ugbo le kwatum ga na je se picture. Ada kwa mo na slow motion. Mzo ya. Wow.
Ebe.
Mzoya. Wow. Mote.
Oh. Come on nwa. Ebe gi gbonru. Kiri ha na akpakwa na beliti go. Magi cob.
Oh magi cob.
Ebe. Na
Ere kwa mi ere.
Okire kwe magi cob.
Ere magi cob.
An ma hukwa ndị na-eri onye ọbụla rie. Onye ọbụla rie. Mana ihe mere n'ụwa. Ọ bụ ihe kwerele onye. Mana ịma nsogbu anyị na-enwe iwu mmadụ wu. sometimes because people are doing, we don't even know if it fits us or not. We go follow just because we want to meet up. We want to follow trend.
Follow spirit.
That this person, Nkechi did it, he work for Nkechi, doesn't mean that Amara go did it and he go work for Amara. So many people will do am, if it demo. Manakega. Hey, anyway, it's done. Yeah, we email here, we email here. Oh, because you don't allow God to direct you himself. You mustn't do it because others are doing it. Everybody has a purpose. Even this one why we have for leg here. Not be me deo. If I reach house now, they come out and the thing no fit me. So as I no fit me, I no go do am. Because so many people are looking up to us. You are a celebrity. You are a role model to so many families. You are a role model. Even small children, they are following you. So each time they come to your page, the other time I saw you, give picture patana nation. Are you okay? Must you do it? It was celebrities. He mustn't bury her. Before the next few years to come, when the repercussion will come, it may not come to them, but to you because it's not your calling. It might come. You see it. I keep telling people that you mustn't do what others are doing. That you are celebrities doesn't mean you should do what every other celebrity is doing. Sometimes follow your lane. Maintain that lane. God have a purpose of calling you into that ministry.
Because you don't even know the reason they are doing it.
Yes! You mustn't do it.
You don't even know who asked them to do it.
Since I put it on, I've been working like a kokomoto jam. In the night I no go sleep. Because it's too heavy on me. It's not my thing. It's not my calling. I should follow my lane. Small children, they follow us.
As I day like this, I don't feel come out close for where my fellow women. Kem kreni me diche from Kem Kekwasaranel.
Listen, Nemo.
The one where they inside they pass this, so this one are the one, not the visible one, the invisible one. Ebe.
Oh.
I don't know what I make.
Okay, you kwasani kenelike.
I'm going to tell them essential medium. I go look for essential medium. Because you say other people own, it come up well like Jeep.
Kegada.
My own utro. I say no. I have to do my correction by myself alone.
Kigazroch. You see it. Everybody will give account of his or her mislead. Because God making you a celebrity is not for you to mislead others. Remember, there are small children, like I said before, that are following you. Each time they come to your page, what do they learn? Whatever you do, they will follow. They will say, yes, after all, the other person did it. This cloth I'm wearing is for Abonko in Abonwa's family. This shoe is from Onwike. This bag, is it not this bag that Agame Badi Manaka carried? I must buy it. Even when you don't have the money, you will go and steal, or you will go and do one or two to get it. We are signboards to a particular destination, and when the signboard misleads people that are reading it,
you come and answer
for it. So please, my advice or my candidate advice. Candidate to be there. My candidate advice to everybody that is listening to me is maintain your lane. Follow who no road, brother. Follow who no road. If you're not follow off here,
this is not Maggie. This is not me now.
Oh, you do nyash, you know look, you know say make you do breast or bagote.
I never breastfeed my children finish. This one damn important.
Get happier.
These people will pump here. These people will pump here. I don't know how they want to breastfeed their children.
You go ask whether they want breastfeed. Some people don't sign and say nothing like breastfeed. And they breastfeed when they are working. When you're allowed to have a Anthony behind where Alaba be halfway. Benjamin. Bishop. Woo! I was the cast of Chidebre.
No shit.
TC virus are second. Ekukule
okay, Kraka.
ya put on here no tenga me no. Anyway, beware.
Fear of Mugambo.
Mugambo.
In a half, Moshita.
Let me run along. Like I said, I got him now fast food.
Come met up on him, that step. La museum, Gashina doctor, say a mewum.
Say I'm Shagia.
Say, I'm the check up.
Ule on Yakatu.
Yakadea. I'm just where I say, Abalata. Yakad. I don't take you where that was. Let me run along. I need to catch up with another job after much production.
Okay.
I just finished this one. I need to go into the next. I have like 5 scripts, you know.
Good.
So see you later. See you.
Okay.
Not even a hug.
Yeah.
Oh no, don't do that. You have some other things to tell me.
No, I'm fine.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just at my car. I'm feeling I don't know where I parked it, but it's okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I move.
Oh.
I move. It choke.
It choke.
It choke. Oh.
Fake life. It has destroyed so many families. It has destroyed so many individuals. It has done us more harm than good. Today is another day of grace. I am not saying this because I am perfect. We're not saying it because we are the holiest. We all are human beings and we are bound to make mistakes someday, sometime. But what matters is when you fall, you rise. You must not know it all. But because of the present situation that you are into today, you think everything is well. Remember, there are thousands of people that are following you. So many children, so many people. Because you do this, they will follow you, whether good or bad. So many families are crying because of what our children are saying from us. Celebrities, social media, everybody at large. There is still time for you to change and to amend your ways. Do the right thing and then leave the rest for God. Makas na newu na ataba. Ya umanagi newu. Then why na ele anya no. Ya our viewers. Kai chide no to touch we oji. To put chaneji. Don't do because he did. Don't do because she did. The way is working for her is not the same way is working for you. Be yourself. Maintain your lane. When you wake up in the morning, pray to God. God, give me my daily bread. And you see him blessing you, no matter how small it's coming. Keep on pushing. Also push until something happens. Because so many are doing this, so many are into this. You don't even know their reason. You don't know her reason. You don't know his reasons. You jump into it because the other person did. After all, the other person did it. Are you that person? Be yourself. Maintain your lane. And then be focused. Always pray to God to guide you. He is the author and finisher of our faith. Chief Imo and his crew will love you people so much. And that is the reason we always bring to you a message of hope. We are not perfect. We might be making mistakes. Or we must have done so many mistakes. Or we will still make mistakes in the future. We are open for corrections. Nobody is above correction. Correct with love. And we will adjust with love and open heart. May God bless us all. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, we are doing us more harm than good. Chief Imo Comedy. Click the red button. Pakam. And your life will begin to have a different shape. you begin to enjoy. Even when you are sad, then when just go there and you must see something that will make you laugh. And when you are laughing away your sorrows, no matter how we preach it. Are you getting my point? Then we also want all of you to expect our new movies that will be loading on our channel very soon. Ukwobe the movie, that very movie, you will not miss it. If you miss that film, if you miss it, you have missed it. Ukwobe is number 1. Then Dr. Amos is another one that will crack your ribs. Oh my God! Dr. Amos is loading too. London Captain, My Sister's Act. Oh my God! Ah! Them the devil. We love you all. Follow us on Instagram at Chief Imo. Then our Facebook, Korea.